heavenly whirlwind kick.
Shaolin finger jab. What? You think you can beat me?
Allow me to demonstrate the skill of Shaolin, the special technique of shadow boxing.
You are blessed. You've been lucky. I wish I got you last time. On guard. I'll let you try my Wu-Tang style.
You have seen the skill of a true ninja.
I enjoy good food and wine, and I love a fight. You're the ones who'd better leave. You run a grave risk challenging me.
I call this one my shrimp fist. I developed it especially to beat idiots like you.
Once you have deceived me, your death will come.
I figured you'd be a man of substance. Huh! But I see you're merely a peasant.
I told you that night to leave me alone or you'd pay with your life.
You are normally very stupid. But this time, you have devised a very good plan.
Listen, old man. I came here to test your gung fu.
Each man one way. Each horse one stance. Each church one Buddha. Each master to his own technique.
Uncle, I never knew your kung fu was so good.
If it hadn't been for me using my kung fu, you guys would have nothing.
You fought well. Now it's my turn.
You make one mistake, and you lose your head.
It's been a while that anyone dared to openly oppose me.
You'll not beat me, even if you fight some more. I suggest you go away.